Hey guys, what is up? And in this video, I'm going to showing you how can you easily download Terrarium TV APK in your Android. Of course, this is the latest version. I'm going to showing you exactly how to download it. Before downloading, just go to settings, scroll down until you see a security tab, tap on that and scroll down a little bit and enable installation from unknown sources. However, if it is disabled, just go ahead and enable that. Once you've done that, you are ready to download the app. Now for downloading the Terrarium app, you just follow the link down in the description below and it should bring you to this page. Scroll down a little bit, then you see a toggle, namely download Terrarium TV.apk. You just go ahead and tap on that. It will pop up saying that this type of file can harm your device. Just go ahead and tap on OK. I can assure you this is super safe. Rather, you should get similar kind of pop-up every time when you install any file from web itself. Once your file get downloaded, just launch your downloads and install the app. Once it is done, tap on open. That's how you should get Terrarium TV app in your Android phone. Simply go through the process coming ahead. Choose a media file player which is pre-installed in your Android device. I'm currently using MX Player, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose MX Player. This is the ad-free version of the Terrarium TV app, so you can choose any player whichever you want. You shouldn't get any ad while using this app. This app lets you enjoy the best TV series directly on your Android itself. Not only you can stream episodes, but you can also download them to your device memory. It is a safe application as it doesn't show any illegal pirated content. The app interface is very elegant and intuitive. If you are looking to watch movies and TV shows continuously on Android, iOS, Windows PC, Fire TV or Firestick, Android Box and many other devices, then Terrarium TV is best option for you. Step number for you. Step number 1. Go to App Settings, then Performance by scrolling down a little bit. Then you see option to resolve all links immediately. You're gonna disable that. However, if it is disabled, you don't need to do anything. Step number 2. Set refresh time interval to its maximum, which is 15. Set it to maximum. Step number 3 is to clear caches, and for doing that, scroll down until bottom last. Then you will see toggle clear caches. Just tap on that and clear the app cache. So guys, that's it. That's how you can resolve buffering issue while using this app. Now if you want to change subtitle language, you just find subtitle in the app settings and then choose subtitle language. Just select whatever language you want as subtitle. This app supports a variety of languages as subtitles, which is provided by OpenSubtitle.organization. So guys, that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. And if you did, be sure to smash on like button and subscribe to this channel.